Hi everyone and welcome to this channel. So in this video I will show you how to have one of the best build out there. So all you have to do is make sure what is from the beginning to the end. So to start, go to the settings section, then click on systems and then click on add-ons. And then as you can see from my screen, I already enabled the unknown sources on my device. But if you have not done it, you have to click on it. And then once this comes up, click yes. Once you enable it, go back to the home screen by clicking the back button on your remote. Once you get here, click on File Manager and then click on Add Source and then click on None. Make sure you enter this URL the way it is. Enter this URL. Double check the URL, triple check the URL. Once you finish entering the URL, triple check it and then click OK. And then you can change this name or you can leave it. You can change the name or leave it, but in case I'm going to add 0. And then click OK. Once you click on Get Here, and then click on the back button on your remote. And once you get here, click on Add-on, and then scroll down and click on Install from zip file. And then choose choose the name you use to save the media file. So in my case, I use Diggz repo 000. Click on it. Click on this, and then wait for the repository to install. Once it must have installed, click on Install from repository, and then click on Diggz repository. Click on Program Add-ons. Click on Chef Wizard. Click on Install. And wait for it to finish installation. It's installing. It has installed. So as you can see from the screen, it's already installed. So click on the Chef Wizard. Click on Open. Click on Build menu. Now this is the list of builds within this particular wizard. You can choose any of this build and then have it on your device. Okay. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to install the second one, which is Diggz AIO. Click Continue. So it's installing. So once it's finished installation, it will force close. Okay. So this is how to have this particular build on your device. It's quite easy, simple, and short. All you have to do is make sure you follow the instruction on this video, and then you are good to go. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, enable notification, and then let me know your thoughts in the comment section. See you guys in my next video. Please subscribe. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. The subscription is a way to support me and support what I'm doing. So please subscribe, and then let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you have any questions regarding this video, please comment it on the comment section. I will attend to you. I will be willing to answer those questions. Okay, so please do that. I will appreciate that. See you guys in my next video.